In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build a Shopify store for beginners. We'll go from a blank account to a polished storefront that's ready to accept orders step by step in a clear and simple way. Start by signing up on Shopify. Create your account, choose the basic plan, and take advantage of a free trial if it's available. This gets you into the dashboard where all the setup happens. When prompted, enter your store details, including your address and basic business information. If you see optional questions that don't apply yet, feel free to skip them. You can always return later. Next, choose a theme. In your dashboard, head to Online Store, then Themes. Browse the free options or explore the theme store if you want more choices. Pick one that matches your brand's style and needs, and click Publish to apply it. Remember, you can switch themes later if you change your mind. Now customize your store. Click Edit Theme to open the visual editor. Add your logo and favicon to build brand recognition. Set a strong hero banner image with clear text and a call to action button that guides visitors to shop or learn more. Adjust your layout, including the header, sections, colors, and fonts, to keep everything consistent. Preview on desktop and mobile to make sure it looks great everywhere. Add your products by going to Products, then Add Product. Include a descriptive title, a helpful description that highlights benefits, high-quality images, your price, and inventory details. If you offer variations like size or color, add those as variants so customers can choose easily. Create collections to organize your catalog. Go to Collections and click Add Collection. Group products into clear categories such as shirts or new arrivals, so shoppers can find items quickly. Design your homepage to showcase those collections and featured products. Remove any placeholder content and add sections like carousels or product grids to keep the page engaging while still easy to scan. Set up your navigation by going to Online Store, then Navigation. Add links to your collections and pages, and organize menus and submenus so everything is logical and simple to find. Tidy up your header and footer. Add an announcement bar for promos or shipping notices. Insert your social links, and remove the Powered by Shopify text for a more professional look. Set your store policies under Settings, then Policies. Add your refund, privacy, terms of service, and shipping policies so customers know what to expect. Configure payments by enabling Shopify payments and connecting your bank account. Then set shipping rates and shipping and delivery, creating zones and choosing flat or calculated rates. For taxes, use Shopify's automatic settings or adjust them to fit your region's requirements. Add a domain to look professional. Buy a new domain or connect one you already own, like your store.com. When everything looks good, go to Online Store and remove password protection. Your store is now live. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more tips and tutorials.